Hi guys, in this video I'll show how to the pulp sound of hydrogen gas. Here, first testing in your gloves. Here I have some aluminium strips. Yeah, this thermometer. I'm using it for checking the temperature rise when the aluminum strips react with it, with the sulfuric acid. And here I have a matchbox. Now let's get started. First, here I have the sulfuric acid. Move on. Open the cap. You can observe the fuming. Okay, pour in it. Okay, it's too much. Yeah, it's enough. Yeah, remaining is gas. The next thing you must do is you have to just add some aluminium strips to the hydrochloric acid and keeping in a thermometer to note the temperature rise. You can observe here that it had started reacting, and you can note the temperature rise here in the thermometer. You can observe here a short bit. Okay, remove it. Now here I have the hydrogen gas. Now moving on to the interesting part, the pop sound. Here at last it formed. It has stopped fuming. That's how it formed. And here we are left with some pure aluminum chloride sulfate. Thank you for watching.